Imagine it's the same 24 hours everyone else has. Same time, same tools, same opportunities. But somehow, one person finishes their work in half the time, delivers better results, and still has space to think, plan, and grow, while another person is stuck jumping from task to task, feeling busy but not moving forward. The difference is not effort, it is not intelligence, it is systems. That is what this final lesson is about. You've learned how to use ChatGPT step by step. You know how to prompt, refine, write content, handle emails, research, work with files, and even turn this into income. Now we take everything you've learned and combine it into advanced workflows. This is where you stop using ChatGPT task by task and start using it as a system that makes you faster, sharper, and more efficient. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to connect multiple steps together, create repeatable workflows, and use ChatGPT in a way that saves you hours every week. Let's start with the most important idea. Efficiency is not about doing more. It is about doing less, but doing it better. Most people use ChatGPT like this. They open it, type one prompt, get one answer, and close it. That is basic use. Advanced use is different. You chain steps together. You turn one task into a process. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you want to create content. A beginner approach looks like this. Write one post. An advanced workflow looks like this. Step 1. Generate ideas. Step 2. Turn one idea into a post. Step 3. Turn the post into captions. Step 4. Turn the captions into email content. Step 5. Refine everything, all inside one flow. Let's build that together. You start with this. Give me 5 content ideas for a small business targeting busy professionals. You get ideas. Now you continue. Take the first idea and write a short post. Keep it simple and engaging. Now you have a post. Now you continue. Turn this post into 3 Instagram captions with a hook and call to action. Now you have captions. Now you continue. Turn this into a short email I can send to my audience. Now you have email content. Now you refine everything. Make all outputs more engaging and beginner-friendly. In minutes, you have multiple pieces of content from one idea. That is an advanced workflow. Now let's apply this to another area, emails and admin work. A beginner approach looks like this. Reply to one email. An advanced workflow looks like this. Step 1. Paste multiple emails. Step 2. Summarize them. Step 3. Prioritize them. Step 4. Generate replies. Let's build it. You type this, summarize these emails, and list the key actions I need to take. You get clarity. Now you continue. Organize these tasks by priority. Now you have a plan. Now you continue. Write replies for each email. Keep them professional and clear. Now you have responses ready. This is how you move faster. Now let's go deeper into workflows for making money. A beginner approach looks like this. Do one task for one client. An advanced workflow looks like this. Step 1. Define your service. Step 2. Create templates. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to deliver faster. Step 4. Reuse your process. For example, if you offer caption writing, you start with this. Create a template for writing Instagram captions with a hook, message, and call to action. Now you have a structure. Now when a client comes, you type this. Write 5 captions using this structure for a skincare brand. Now you deliver faster. Now you refine, make them more emotional and engaging. Now your output improves. You are not starting from scratch every time. You are using a system. Now let's talk about batching. Batching means doing similar tasks together. Instead of writing one post every day, you create multiple posts in one session. For example, you type this. Give me 10 content ideas for my niche. Then you turn them into posts. Then you turn them into captions. Then you refine everything. Now your content is ready for days or weeks. This saves time and reduces stress. Now let's talk about prompt stacking. This is where you combine multiple instructions into one flow. For example, you type this. Give me 3 business ideas, pick the best one, create a simple offer, and write a message I can send to clients. Now you get a full workflow in one response. This is powerful when used correctly. Now let's talk about improving your speed. Speed comes from repetition and clarity. The more you use ChatGPT, the faster you understand what to ask. The faster you ask, the faster you get results. Now let's talk about reducing effort. You do not need to do everything manually. Whenever you repeat a task, ask yourself, can I turn this into a prompt or template? If the answer is yes, you automate it. Now let's bring everything together into a full real-life workflow. Imagine you are a freelancer offering content services. You start your day with this: give me 5 content ideas for my client's niche. You pick one, write a post based on this idea. You refine it, make it more engaging. You continue, turn this into 3 captions. You continue, create a short email using this content. You refine everything. Now you deliver. In one session, you complete multiple tasks. This is efficiency. Now let's talk about mindset. You are not just using ChatGPT. You are building systems. Each workflow you create saves you time in the future. Each template you create reduces effort. Each improvement makes you faster. Now let's talk about a simple system you can follow daily. Step 1. Identify your main tasks. Step 2. Turn each task into a prompt. Step 3. Connect prompts into workflows. Step 4. Refine and improve. Step 5. Reuse what works. This keeps you consistent. Now I want you to take action right now. Open ChatGPT and type this. Create a simple workflow for my daily tasks using ChatGPT. Include steps for content, emails, and organization. Read the result. Then refine it. Make it simpler and more practical. Now you have your own system. Now remember the opening idea. Everyone has the same 24 hours, but not everyone uses them the same way. The difference is not how hard you work, it is how smart you work. ChatGPT helps you work smarter. Now if you are thinking, I want to master this and build real systems that save time, improve my work, and help me grow, then this is your next step. Inside Digital Skills Academy, we show you how to build advanced workflows, automate tasks, and use ChatGPT in a way that creates real results. You will learn how to connect everything you've learned and turn it into a system that works for you. If that sounds like something you want, check the link in the description and join Digital Skills Academy today. This is the final lesson, but it is also the beginning. You now have everything you need to use ChatGPT effectively. Remember this: tools do not change your results, how you use them does. And now you know how to use this one properly. Keep practicing, keep refining, keep building, and you will keep improving. I will see you at the top.